ukhupha ungizwe le emthulisile. And now that I have the facts, I have someone that was in the room when Ngizwe allegedly
met the president.
Right.
Yeah.
Who?
And Phakela.
And Phakela Mthakathi.
Allegedly.
Oh yeah, yes.
When they allegedly got paid.
Yeah.
For something million.
Oh.
What? Yes.
Did they send a vendor number?
Yes.
You're lying.
Hold on.
You're lying.
Hold on, I'm not lying.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're close to politicians. Like
Benjani Chauke.
Was it hard cash?
ANC ones.
Was it hard cash?
Hold on, guys, come on, bro. You guys are just trying to get me to court.
No,
we're not.
Hold on. Hold on.
We're not.
Let me rephrase this.
We're not stamps.
And put it
we
out
don't want
there.
to be licked.
Yeah.
The reason why I don't want to listen to Ngizwe, that's a pun, by the way.
No, it's not.
It is. So,
That's to hear. Nglalele. That's to listen.
It's not a pun?
It's a pun. It's a pun. So it's a pun.
Let me do it now because Ngizwe upsets me a lot. Right. I was smoking hardly in someone's house. A very rich guy, big politician, that was in the room.
With Somizi?
No, when these niggas allegedly got paid.
Oh, okay.
Right? And signed DNAs.
NDAs?
Allegedly.
Okay, yes.
DNA
never
NDAs.
lies. Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
Oh, NDA is black.
No. NDA is Nda.
Stop interrupting Sfiso.
I'm not
Stop interrupting the man.
I'm trying to help him, dog.
He's
I'm
right.
his sober companion.
We understand where he's getting at.
At the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is that the reason why Ngizwe and Phakela and Phakathi don't get along is because between both of them, one of them took 500 more than the other.
Oh. 500 what? 500 rand?
1,000.
500,000. Oh, okay. It's not a clearing error.
Bomb.
That's why there's one of them who felt like, I was in the streets more than you. So munye wasiphakela udlula umphakathi.
Yes. Hey.
Let me close it.
So,
these niggas are fake. Don't listen to these guys, bro. The minute Phakela and Phakathi signed a contract with Moja Love to have a show with them.
No, it wasn't Moja Love, it was Mzansi.
It's
bigger than
the minute he signed that contract to have a show with them, he sold his soul to the devil.
To who?
To the devil.
To Canal Plus.
To the devil. Right? So he cannot go out and march and insult foreign nationals and do what.
Otherwise, he's going to lose his...
You get what I'm saying?
His
back, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So he's not Phakela and Phakathi, it's Suzela and Phakathi. Right? So I hate fake niggas, bro.
Yeah.
You see what?
Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungene. I just want to comment on this particular video kaSfiso. Angazi ukuthi uSfiso lingakanani iqiniso kulento ayikhulumayo because ubonakala njengathi he's high on something. I mean, ukhuluma ngale ndaba ke yaphakela umthakathi noNgizwe ukuthi abezwani nje ngoba kuthiwa ke bathi mabethola imali laphana allegedly basolonga ukuthi bathola imali mhlambe yokuba ukuthi bathule about all this thing yokuthi abantu abangaphandle bahambe what right mangabe usayikhumbula. So uthi yena uSfiso uthi uSfiso uphakela noNgizwe baxabanile ukuthi ukhona wathola imali more than eyomunye nge500. So uyabuza unotho 500 rand of 500 uthi 500,000. But then kuleya video umuntu uyambuka nje Sfiso yabona ukuthi hayi ngeke ungathi nje he's under influence of something. So iqiniso lingakanani kulento ayikhuluma izosifaka. I just do not know, man. Abantu bonke they were like guys Sfiso awusemdala. Kune clip engeke ngayibuka mhlambe na ngizoyithola ngifake lana ekwi podcast enje noNgizwe noZoso laphana. You know like mekhuluma nje ungathi nje umuntu ophuzile ungathi umuntu odakiwe nje. But everyone manje look at Sfiso umdala for all this. Umdala Sfiso awusemdala. You know what I mean? Angiqondi into kaSfiso manje. Okay, at least uthe allegedly. But lingakanani iqiniso lento ayikhuluma ngoba bazomhlasela uNgizwe noPhakela for whatever he's talking about there. angithi bayaphika bathi bona bathola ngamali. So uSifiso masethi yena he knows someone who was in there oyaziyo mhlawumbe ukuthi ebathola imali umunye wasethola eningana kuneyo munye kanjani hayi ngeke bafethi like iqiniso lingakana kulento ayikhulumayo ngoba uzibonakala njengathi uzidakelwe nje into zikaFiso Nkosi yami hayi ngeke kunale clip lapha ehleli noNgizo uye wakhuluma ke ngendlela ade sebenza ngayo before ezoba nguSifiso nje lo simbona kuma podcast ekhuluma ukuthi okay ethi kungizwe ithe besijabulisa abafazi benu nina nesithembu ukuthi abafazi abasesithenjini bebejabuliswa yibo nje mangabe mhlambe umama elambile kamereni whatsoever umsebenzi wakhe bekuwukuthi nje satisfy lo mama nje yena indlela ade senza ngayo imali. So bebedata labo mama banemali kahle so that they satisfy them ngoba sesithenjini or whatsoever the reason amanyala nje I'm like Sifiso manje sekhuluma le yabo ngiza nabo phakela ukuthi uyambuka nje emehlweni amehlo abomvu I'm like why ngayithembi nalento ayikhuluma yabona but they say drunken men never lies so people are like ngoba udakiwe usho ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso mhlambe kube besobho bengakayikhuluma le ndaba kodwa ngoba udakiwe angazi man angazi manje everyone is like awusemdala uSifiso lena athi borukhudile man yo Sifiso uthena kungizwe umdala kimi nge2 years I only find out shoot you find out ukuthi ungizwe wawuphunyaka so uthi kungizwe umdala kimi nge2 years nje so manje memdala kungizwe nge2 years uSifiso umdala bafethu for ezinye izinto enokuzibona kule podcast yabo nabo Thagi nabo Nota ayike angisho ukuthini guys okay content is content but ayingeke so ngalendaba kaphakela noNgizwe how truthful is that lingakala iqiniso bazovuka sebakusuwishe lapho Sifiso uzithole sokhokha imali at least he said allegedly uthi uzwe ngowayekhona lapha angazi lingakala iqiniso leyabhuti yo ayingeke Sifiso bafethu angithi yakhumbula ukuthi Julius Malema wathini wathi bona Mac G babalekisa utshwala kulama podcast wabo kunotshwala kuyaphuzwa nje ya utshwala benziwa nje like a big thing okay it's like bafuna intsha I believe ukuthi ya alcohol is everything that's why uyabona ke nankana nje bakuma podcast oSifiso badakiwe nje someone even said uMalema why sure le ndaba Mac G ukuthi kunotshwala lapha nabaphuza bagcine sebeshiza into ongamele bazisho the next thing ba dragishwa to enkantolo umuntu uyambophisa for saying wrong things. So mina umbuzo wami lingakana niqiniso kulento ayikhulumayo njengoba ngathi uzidakelwe nje lingakana niqiniso kulento ayikhulumayo hayi ngeke asazi khona abantu nje wabesho ukuthi hayi ngathi bayithola nje imali labantu so yena he found out then ukuthi omunye wathola eningana kuneyomunye kwase kuba khona ukungezwana according to Sifiso according to the drunken Sifiso akasi follow ka comment section like video subscribe share sibona belandelayo bye.